Russia is buying millions of artillery shells and rockets from North Korea, according to newly declassified American intelligence. These disclosures come after reports indicated that the country is also buying drones from Iran. A situation like this would have been unimaginable a few months ago, since Russia is the second largest weapon exporter in the world after the US. Russia accounts for nearly 19% of worldwide weapons shipments, according to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, or SIPRI. It's clear that Russia's invasion of Ukraine is taking a massive toll on its weapons stockpiles. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Russia is buying weapons from Iran and North Korea. Let's get into the details. Russia initially tried to use precision ground and air-launched weapons to take out key Ukrainian assets like command and control nodes. But this didn't work effectively, since these weapons had a high failure rate and Ukrainians were good at concealing their actual positions. Slowly, the stock of these weapons started running low, and Russia reverted to using scorched earth tactics. Russian artillery and MLRS, multiple launch rocket systems, are being used to shell Ukrainian positions. It seems now that even shells are running out, and artillery guns are giving way to barrel issues because of high volume and sustained use. The United States declassified intelligence asserts that Russia is acquiring short-range rockets and artillery shells, and Russia was expected to try to purchase additional North Korean equipment going forward. Drones are being used heavily in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Ukraine has very effectively used Bayraktar TB2 drones supplied by Turkey. For example, just a few days ago, a pair of Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones neutralized $26.5 million of Russian military assets in just 3 days, Ukrainian military official Valery Zaluzhny revealed. The Russian drone arsenal is limited, especially when it comes to armed UAVs. Iran has been turning out to be a prominent drone superpower in the Middle East and has been using its drone technology in Gaza, Yemen, Lebanon, Syria, and Iraq. Iran has UAVs ranging from small, light, short-range systems to medium to heavy UAVs for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR). The country has several UAVs in its inventory, and the Mohajer 6, which has reportedly been delivered to Russia, is one of Iran's top-of-the-line combat drones. Reports suggest that the units sent to Russia could also include the Shahed 129 and Shahed 191 drones, based on recent satellite imagery allegedly showing Russian officials viewing these two drones at Iran's Kashan airbase ahead of the reported purchase. Both Iran and North Korea are largely cut off from international commerce thanks to American and international sanctions, meaning neither country has much to lose by making deals with Russia. This puts them in a fit position to fulfill Russian needs. Ideologically, also, both countries are opposed to the West. While the effects of sanctions are yet to have a severe impact on Russian finances, it is hurting Moscow's ability to gather supplies for its army, and hence it's turning to countries like Iran and North Korea. Russian generals had anticipated a short and swift conflict, with Kyiv capitulating within days, but more than 6 months down the line, there's no end in sight. This long-drawn attritional conflict is depleting the Russian war reserves. Not only this, it's evident that American and European sanctions have severely restricted Russia's ability to rebuild its military going forward. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.